How to open FBX file in Blender. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, as an example, I'll just be downloading this model right here. So yeah, I'll just download this model, download 3D model, and then I'll be downloading it as an FBX file right there. So yeah, so just wait for it to finish downloading. And then once it's done, what you want to do is just go to your downloads folder. And after that, what you want to do is to extract that zip file that you've downloaded right there. So yeah, so once it's done extracting, what you want to do now is go to Blender. And then once you're in Blender, what you want to do is go to File, go to Import right there. And then after that, just look for the FBX format. So it's this one right here. So it's the second one to the last. So just click on it. And then after that, just look for the download location and where you saved your extracted folder. So mine is still in my downloads folder. So there you go. So mine is under this folder right there. So I'll just click on it, go to source right there. And after that, I'll just select this FBX file right there. And after that, just click on import FBX right here. And then there you go. The model will now be added to Blender. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, so after that, you can now start editing this model. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open an FBX file in Blender.